Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi S5. So from any screen you've got here, I'll just move my coffee. You've got telephone there and you've got menu there. If you click on telephone, you've got search for new mobile, but you've got settings in the corner, and each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these four buttons. So bottom right, click bottom right, we're onto settings. Then you've got Bluetooth, so we turn that down to Bluetooth, click the center, Bluetooth. Then if we wind down, Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices and bonded Bluetooth devices. So on to bonded Bluetooth devices, click the center button. You see there Barry's iPhone 12. If I click on that, it gives you the option to delete it. Click delete, and then we just have to select yes, turn the rotary control, and then click in the center to delete it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi S5. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi S5. First of all, we go into settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It'll already be set to be discoverable, and indeed it's come up already. So if we click on Audi there, Bluetooth pairing request, pin entry required, connect, yes, but I'll just click pair there and then select yes. Does the pin match? Well, yeah, it does. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. That's it done. It should probably be at the top there. That's it connected. Now again, this vehicle, Bang & Olufsen speakers, just absolutely awesome. So to play music, we go into your tunes like so. I'll turn this down, we'll click play, but what you need to see at the bottom there, just to make sure, there's a tick next to Audi MMI 7793, which is this system, and not next to iPhone. So anything that plays on this system, be it Spotify, the soundtrack from a YouTube video, whatever's playing on your phone will play through the system if you have it set right. So we'll go back to the actual record. It's playing. We go over to the controls here. You've got media. You click media. Now that's loading medium audio, right? But it's already on here. But for instance, if it's not bound to be. You could have been using another function. But you see their source in the top corner, which corresponds to that top right button there. So there, it could be on jukebox. So again, you're playing over here, you click play, it's not coming out of the speakers at the moment, it won't do because it's turned down, but we go to source. So click on source, then find your phone, click on phone, like so. We'll wait till it shows on there. So we'll turn this up. Brilliant sound system. It is fantastic, honestly. Anyway, there you go. Bang & Olufsen speakers, and that's how you play music. I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2015 Audi S5. So any screen, you've got Nav over here. That's the top left-hand one. Click on Nav. You've got destination at the bottom, tour, info, settings and destination. So that's this button here. Bottom left, silver button where the rotary controller is. There you can see that going. You've got last destinations or address. We'll click address. And then we need to go to, well, that's our old address, so we'll put our new address in. So click on town or postcode, and then you've got this rotary control, which is very, very good to enter. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road now, PR. Now that was letters, but we now need numbers. Numbers at the bottom there, up 0 to 9. So we click this button here, which is the bottom right hand corner one, and it's changed to numbers. So we are PR5 4, and then it's gone defaulted back to letters. E, There you go. PR5 4EA, destination, add street, set a stopover, or just turn the rotary control to on start route guidance. Click like so.
Your route is being calculated. Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
Simple as that. Thanks for watching.